Hello Harith Noah, so how do you feel during this Dakar 2021?
Yeah, I feel pretty good. I've been preparing for this race the whole year.
This year the airbag has been mandatory for participating to the Dakar 2021. So you're wearing the three-gun airbag system, including the In&motion system inside. How do you feel wearing this airbag?
Yeah, I feel pretty good. I mean, in the beginning, before trying it, I was not so sure. But once I wore it the first time, I felt really comfortable. It's pretty slim. Saudi Arabia, it's really cold, so it also keeps me at the right temperature.
You told me some days before that you tested the airbag during a crash. Can you tell us a bit more regarding this, what happened?
Yeah, so on stage 4, there was I had a bad crash, like a really bad one, maybe around 100 kilometers per hour. I hit a big rock, which was around a meter high, which was like all of a sudden, like it was not a danger or anything. I just didn't anticipate, like I didn't see it, and I hit it, and I flew off the bike. The bike flew like nose dived, and before I landed, the airbag inflated, and it definitely saved me from a very bad injury. The only injury I had is on my leg a little bit. I got some muscle small tears, but except that, everything was okay. So I'm very happy that I was wearing the fully gun airbag, and it really helped me that day.
Okay, good. Thank you for this history. So we wish you the best to continue the Dakar. And so see you tomorrow at the bivouac. Have a nice stage tomorrow.
Thank you.